guys, it's Franz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to do a peachy makeup look, and all the products that I'm going to use are affordable and you can find it on any drugstores or department stores near you. So if you wanna know how I'll achieve this look, just keep on watching. I'm done with preparing my skin and all, and let's start with the makeup. First, I'm going to use this Crayons BB cream in the shade Natural Beauty, and because this BB cream is already high coverage, I'm not going to use a foundation here, and I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to use a brush for blending the BB cream. And I'm going to use a mirror. Just going to spread it on my face. Spread lang natin siya, guys. And then, gagamitin ko tong brush para i-blend siya. By the way guys, darker shade tong BB cream na to sa aking face. Kita niyo naman dyan. Medyo may background. We're done with the BB cream, and dahil masyadong dark yung shade ng ating BB cream, lighter shade ng concealer ang gagamitin ko guys, and gagamitin ko itong Loreal Paris, sorry guys, Loreal Paris concealer, oh my gosh, Loreal Paris concealer in the shade 304 Bisque, and I'm going to use the same mirror again. Tatakpan lang natin yung ating pimples na visible sa ating face and yung mga blemishes. High coverage ito guys na concealer na ito, kaya konti lang lalagay ko. Ayan, ganyan lang. Then, gagamitin ko ulit yung same brush na ginamit ko for BB cream. Blend lang natin. Kasi nga guys, sabi nila, kailangan mo gumamit ng darker shade ng product, then lighter shade para parang balance ka naman. Yan, we're done na guys. So, next is the brows. For my brows, dahil makapal na rin naman siya, medyo makapal na rin naman siya, konti lang lalagay nating eyebrow product. I'm going to use this Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe. And guys, konti lang lalagay kong eyebrow dito kasi pag masyadong madami, hindi na siya natural tignan. I-fill in ko lang siya, susundin yung shape ng brows ko. Ayan. Konti na lalagyan natin guys. Ayan. Fill in lang natin siya. kasi makapal naman siya tignan. Kanya lang kasi i-blend ko rin naman siya, kaya masyadong makapal siya tignan pag marami. Kaya konti-konti lang. Hindi ako fan ng ano guys, yung masyadong makakapal na pagkilay. Kasi hindi natural tignan. Ganyan ba ka natin guys? Tingin ka sa baba. Sorry. Yan. Brush lang natin. So ayan na guys, yung ating kilay. Natural na lang yun. Natural lang siya tignan guys. So yan. Kanya lang yung gusto kong kilay. Yung kayo masyadong on fleek ka nun. Gusto ko yung natural look lang. So, next is the shadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Shawill Makeup Nude Blush Palette. Lumang-luma na siya guys. Ayan. Shawill Makeup Nude Blush Palette. Ayan. Luma na rin itong makeup na to sa akin. Hindi pa kailangan ng bago. So, ayan naman guys. And, makikita nyo naman guys, itong orange lang na to, na shade dito, gagamitin ko kasi peachy nga, peachy look lang. So, ito lang yung nahanap ko na shade para sa look na ito. And, by the way, guys, lagay ko lang siya dito sa aking lids. Ayan. Kami itong fingers ko. Para mapadala yung ating paglagay. Sa lids ko lang, guys. Pamihan lang natin. Para makita yung pagka-peachy talaga, nadamihan ko. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman, diba? Orange, peachy na shadow. Ayan. Ayan na siya, guys. Next, sa kabilang eyes naman. Same lang gawin ko. Sa lids rin lang, guys. Pantay na rin naman siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na yung ating shadow guys. Huwag kayong magkalala. I-blend natin yan. Para naman, naging maayos siya tignan. Kasi kamay lang yung ginamit ko eh. So, i-blend natin siya gamit itong brush na ito. Ayan. Gamitin natin ito. Para kumalo talaga siya. Kasi guys, yung mga peachy na makeup, ang highlight nila dyan yung shadow, yung blush, and yung lips. Para makita na peachy talaga. Peachy look ganun. Ayan. Blend ko lang siya. Ayan na guys. Kita nyo ba yung pagka-peachy niya? Nababasan ko lang. Ayan na guys, yung shadow natin. Ayan na yung peachy. And for the lips and cheeks, I'm going to use this Maldita Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Tint. And in the shade Topak. And by the way guys, go check out Maldita Cosmetics on Instagram and Shopee. I'm going to put on the links of their accounts on the description box. So, go check them out. Nilagay ko lang siya sa cheeks ko. Ayan. Kasi nga, medyo orange yung shade niya. And parang pwede siya sa peachy look na ito. Medyo nadamihan ko guys. Ayan. Tab lang natin. Patok yung peachy look natin guys. Oh my gosh, putok na putok ang ating blush. Sobraan ko. Oh my gosh guys, nadamihan ko. Masyado akong orange. Peachy na. Takpan ko naman. And sa lips naman, gamitin ko rin siya for my lips. And by the way guys, if you use my code France, capital F-R-A-N-C-E, when you avail their products, you'll get to have a 10% discount. So, go check out their products. Their products are affordable guys. Masyadong kitang-kita yung pagka-orange ng ating cheeks. So, para hindi masyadong orange yung ating cheeks, lagyan ko siya ng powder guys. Itong Nichido Fancy Colors in the shade Natural. Pagpasensya na yung aking fingers guys. Yan. So yeah. Bawasan lang natin yung pag-orange na gamit itong powder na ito. Para hindi masyadong putok na putok yung ating cheeks. Itong powder brush. We're going to use this powder brush. Babawasan ko lang siya guys kasi masyadong orange. Sobrang. Nagka-powder na rin ako. Continue ko na rin siya. Continue ko yung pagka-powder. So far, ito na yung look natin guys. Yung lips natin. Dagdagan natin yung lips natin. Dagdagan natin. Sakit na lang yung mayroon eh. Go check out Maldita Cosmetics guys. This is one of their tints. Different cheek tints. As you can see yan. And lastly, for this look, we're going to use a highlighter. I'm going to use my fave highlighter from Bisque Cosmetics. Yan. In the shade Aura Glow. Yan siya guys. Highlight lang natin yung ating and we're done with our look guys. Here's our final look. Yan. Na-achieve ba natin yung picture look? I've tried my best guys to achieve this look. So, yeah. So, that's all guys for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy this video and don't forget to check out Maldita Cosmetics on Instagram and on Shopee. I'm going to put on their links down below in the description box, so go check them out. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!